In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Jira filter. Whether you've created filters in Jira that are no longer needed, or you just want to clean up your workspace, understanding how to efficiently delete filters can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into it step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Your Work section in Jira. If you're like most users, you're probably familiar with this area, as it's something you open countless times throughout your day to access different tasks. In this section, you'll find different tabs that lead you to various aspects of your Jira account. For our task today, we're focusing specifically on the filters section. So once you're in the Your Work section, look for the filters option. Now, you might be asking why filters are important. Well, filters in Jira help streamline your workflow and keep everything organized. By organizing tasks and issues according to set parameters, you can enhance productivity and focus on critical tasks without unnecessary clutter. But when a filter outlives its utility, deleting it declutters your space and keeps your dashboard relevant. Once you've located the Filters tab, go ahead and click on it. You'll notice a navigation pane will open up, showing you more options related to specific filters. Here, everything related to searching, saving, and frequently accessing your filters is readily accessible. This feature is designed to make navigating Jira easier and more intuitive. With the Filters pane open, what you'll want to do next is click on View All Filters. This is a crucial step because it's here that you get a comprehensive view of all the filters you've created over time. You'll see an organized list of each filter, providing details like the creation date, last modified date, and possibly who last edited them if you're working in a shared space. In this list, carefully identify the filter you wish to delete. Make sure you've selected the correct one, as this action, like many permanent operations, doesn't have an undo button. If you have numerous filters, it might be helpful to use a note or tag that you remember was associated with the filter you're deleting. Alternatively, quickly review the search criteria or label to verify it's the right one. Once you're certain about which filter you want to remove, notice the three dots, sometimes referred to as the ellipsis, located next to the filter's name. This is quite common in many apps and systems as a place to find more options or settings related to an item. Click on these three dots. Clicking on this icon unveils a drop-down menu that provides further options for that specific filter. In this drop-down menu, you'll see the option to delete. This is your signal to proceed with the deletion. Before you click, ensure once more that this is indeed the filter you intend to delete. It's always a good idea to double check because once the filter is deleted, it's not something you can easily recover. So if you need any data or search criteria from the filter, make sure to note it down elsewhere. Now confidently click on delete. Jira will likely prompt you with a confirmation dialog asking if you're sure you want to delete the selected filter. This additional confirmation step helps prevent accidental deletions. Read the confirmation message carefully. If everything looks correct and you're sure you want to proceed, go ahead and confirm the deletion. At this point, the filter is officially deleted from your list. You'll notice it's gone from your comprehensive view of filters, confirming that the action was successful. Now, your Jira filters are just a bit more organized and tailored to your current projects and workflows. Remember, maintaining a clean and relevant filter list in Jira not only helps in optimizing your tasks, but also improves overall system performance. Having too many redundant filters can sometimes lead to information overload, which clouds focus and hampers decision making. So periodically reviewing and deleting outdated or unnecessary filters is good practice. Thank you for joining me in this step-by-step tutorial on deleting a Jira filter. By now, you should be equipped with the knowledge and ability to keep your Jira workspace decluttered and effective. Keep practicing these simple steps, and over time they'll become second nature as you adapt them into your regular workflow management routine. Keep enjoying a more streamlined and efficient Jira experience.